Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and as you can see in this video I am making my daughter's hair, and I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair using the rubber band method. The rubber band method can help those that cannot really hold their hair from the roots. It will help their hair to stay really nice and secured and very neat. Before using your rubber band, please be sure to dip your rubber band into oils in order to avoid breakage. In this video, I am using a colored rubber band because we ran out of the black one. So if you've got a black rubber band, go ahead and use that. So I am starting with a washed, deep conditioned, moisturized hair. Before putting your hair into a protective style, be sure to do a deep treatment mask because this is going to be a long term. So as you can see in this video, I have already done some and put them into rubber band, and right now I am just braiding them. If you struggle to get your hair secured from the root, if you want your hair to be nice and neat from the roots, you want to try the rubber band method because this will help your hair to stay secured. And as long as you've dipped your rubber band into oils, I assure you this is not going to cause any form of breakage. As long as you moisturize your braids every day, keep it protected and moisturized, I can assure you this is not going to cause any form of breakage. If you want a video of how you can moisturize your braid, it's going to pop up now. I hope you tune in and watch that video. So I'm just going to leave you to enjoy this video. I'm going to leave you with a nice music to enjoy this video, please. If you're watching me for the first time, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell. That bell will notify you as soon as we upload a new video. So guys, stay tuned, relax and enjoy this video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last for